Hi, grade sixes. This is chapter 11, lesson number 3. We're going to be reviewing how to find the volume of a rectangular based prism, and we're going to look at how to find the volume for a triangular prism. Okay, looking at my birthday cake, which is a rectangular based prism. The formula to find the volume of a rectangular based prism is easy. It's length times width times height. You probably remember that from a previous chapter that we have looked at. So I'm going to plug in my numbers here. 15 times 10 times the height, which is 5. So I'm using my dimensions given. And then I come up with my answer, 750 centimeters cubed. Okay. Don't forget, when you are calculating the volume, we are taking the measurement of the inside of the actual shape, and you must put the unit of measurement, which is cubed. Okay, so to look at the measurement of a triangular based prism is very similar. So I'm going to use the same example, but I'm going to cut this cake into half. So if you're splitting it with somebody, you have now 2 triangular based prisms. So the volume, to calculate the volume for that, is basically the same thing, length times width times height. So this is now the volume of your triangular prism, and it's length times width times height divided by 2 because you're splitting it in half. So we would use the same dimensions here, 15 times 10 times 5. We're going to divide it by 2. And then my new answer would be 375 centimeters cubed. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to give you one more example from the textbook just to make sure that it's clear to you. So the question here says, I'm going to get you guys to try this out. So to calculate the volume of the triangular prism, it says calculate the volume of the triangular prism. You are given these dimensions. Again, the formula for the triangular prism is length times width times height divided by 2. So you should be able to figure that out pretty easily with that formula. And I want you to answer B as well. It says the slice is half of a rectangular cake. So I want you to imagine this cake as a rectangular shape. What was the volume of the original cake? The dimensions are there. Try that question out.